Today I'm going to show you this towering centerpiece that's dramatic and transportable, and I'll share how. First, you're going to take 3 ceramic containers and fill them with flower foam, pre-soaked with floral preservative. Make sure that the flower foam is extended about 2 inches above each container, so that when they're all stacked up, you still have enough area for insertion. If you need to wedge a little bit of extra foam in the sides, do that just to make sure that it's not going to topple over. From there, I have anchored in some of the Orford cedar as well as some hemlock. I've also wired in some small pine cones of a couple different varieties. You can wire them using a heavy gauge wire, cluster them in 3s, wiring them around the base and twisting. I've also added in these beautiful Rio roses. This variety is called Creme de la Crème, and it has kind of a warm, beautiful white tone. I've also added in this gorgeous ranunculus that came from Rio roses. It's open and beautiful, it's very turgid and looks to be very long lasting. The grapevines, which I have tinted using the super silver from Design Master, as well as the beargrass ropes that I created using bullion wire, beargrass, and corsage tape. Simply bind the beargrass at the base. You'll want to make sure all the blades are aligned in a row, because then they will lay really nicely. Bind it with corsage tape, then begin wrapping bullion all the way up to the very tip of the grouping of beargrass, and then all the way back down. Each of these 2 elements you will add on site, obviously, so that'll allow you to transport it. This design is dramatic, this design is eye-catching, and this design is transportable. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.